Hey you guys, we're back with another hack here. We are going to rekey a Kwikset lock. Very simple. First, what you want to do, you want to have a tool remover cylinder and a plug follower. That is the plug follower. Here is the tool removers. Next, you want to have a working key. After that, what you want to do is you want to take the tool remover and pop off the ring in the back. Now, be careful because that ring, if it pops off and you lose sight, you're going to lose it. So make sure you have a brace behind it. Now you take the working key, you put it in, turn it sideways, okay, and you get the follower, put that in, and make sure that the opening is on the sides. You see how I'm doing it. And then you slide it in slowly and securely. Perfect. Now, next thing you want to do is you want to remove the key, take the old pins out, and you're going to toss them because we don't need those anymore. And now you take the new key that you want to match it to, and you just start filling it in. Now, how I usually do it, I do a little trial and error. I just go down the line. See, I picked the 6 up. I see that it doesn't work, so I was like, okay, eyeball it. I go for the 2, and boom. Go for, and boom. Now, how I usually do it, I count it like this. These are my 1s, these are my 2s, my 3, my 4s, 5, and 6. Okay, now after, what you want to do now is you want to put the cylinder back into the lock, slowly but securely. Now the job is almost complete. What you do now is you put the cylinder back into the lock, turn it to make sure it works. Now make sure you put your thumb on the cylinder when you remove the key, because if you don't, everything's coming out. Like and subscribe.